Hello friends, how are you? So welcome back to my YouTube channel PC and Windows with another interesting and new video of PC settings. So just like before, we are going to discuss a very interesting and important topic about PC settings. So watch the video till end, and you will be really amazed and you will be really like this video after watching till end. So in this video we are going to discuss the topic that how can you use drive defragmentation. If you have a computer with older hard drive and a traditional rotating platters hard drive, organizing the data can increase the responsiveness. So to run the defragmentation tool on Windows 10, use these steps. So don't skip the video, any part of the video. First of all, just go to the start button and then go to the settings. So after opening the settings, go to the systems option. So here is the systems option. After going to the system, find out here storage. So here is the storage option. Just click on storage. After opening the storage, just scroll down a little and under the more storage settings, find out the optimized drives. So here is the optimized drive. Just check it and then click on this. After clicking on the optimized drive, just select the drives which one you want to optimize or which one you want to defragmentate. So as I want to defragmentation of hard drive E, so just click on it and here is the option for optimize. So as you click on optimize, the hard drive will started defragmentation. Windows 10 defragmentation increase the performance of your device. So after you complete the steps, the tool will rearrange the files to make them accessible more quickly and the next time they need it. So translating into noticeable performance improvement, and the only caveat is that the process can take a long time depending on the data stored on the drive. So if you have an older system, it is the best to leave the process running overnight. So if you have a computer with an SSD, using the defragmentation tool will run the trim command to inform the storage device of the block. So this process can significantly improve the performance because the drives would not have to erase the blocks during the writing data process. Hope so you have understand, and if this video helped you a little, just like the video and share it with your friends. Don't forget to check out our other videos about PC settings. Thanks for watching this video.